acrylic color mixing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make yellow lighter with white. So let's start with getting a bit of yellow on our palette. And then, in order to lighten it, we mix in a tiny bit of white. And already it's turning into this soft lemon yellow. So let's add a bit more white to it to make it even lighter. Beautiful. And of course we can add even more white to it, which will turn it into an even lighter and softer yellow. Beautiful. And let's try to go even farther by adding even more white. Yes. Look, this is white with just a hint of yellow. So beautiful. And if you want your light yellow to be a bit warmer, you can simply add a tiny bit of red to your mix. Let me show you how that works. We start with our yellow and we add a bit of white to lighten it and a tiny bit of red to make it a bit warmer. So let's see what we can get out of this. And look, even though we took only a tiny bit of red, it completely changed our color. And then, if this is too orange for your taste, you can simply add a bit more of your yellow again. So now we are getting a very deep, beautiful yellow. And of course we can lighten this one as well by adding white. Let's do that. And can you see how this light yellow is different than the one we mixed before? This is because it's leaning a little bit more towards the orange and therefore is a bit warmer. And this is how easy it is to lighten your yellow. Simply mix in a bit of white and maybe a tiny amount of red and see what version of light yellow you like best for your painting. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up so that I know and can make more of them. Have a lovely day. Bye bye!